Hi, today 23rd March 2021. Today the market opened positive 32 points, and you can see there's a pre-open market chart, and 36 stocks are going up and only 9 stocks are coming down and on. So I think today we have to take a stock which is uh, going up. From this website, I am copying it. I'm selecting all the stocks, and I will copy it in Excel, and I will sort it out to select the stock to trade today. It is a live market I am showing. It is a very important step for selecting the stock. I am showing it live. So I am using paste special command. I am deleting the column B and C, and now I am using filter command to filter the stocks which are in the range 300 to 800. So after applying it, I will select the stocks which are in the range 300 to 800. Now I've aligned the price and the percentage change in descending order, highest to low. So this is a Adani port. It is percentage change is 1.16% is the highest, and the quantity wise it is the highest also. 1,27,000 quantity as told. So I got an idea that I should select today Adani port for trading today. So let me open the trading platform. Today, let's see what's happening. Now it is 9:17, 2 minutes after the open of the market. There is a bullish trend in Adani port. 7 lakh versus 5 lakh. 2 lakh shares are, there is a demand to buy Adani port. Also, the parabolics are, it's also telling positive. I have used a 5-minute candle bar chart, and it is opened at around 731 rupees. Now it is 734. Let's wait for the first 5-minute candle to complete. Meanwhile, I will calculate the quantities which are required for trading today based upon the capital availability. I made an Excel. I am using an Excel sheet to calculate. Based upon, you can use your formulas to calculate. It is an Adani port is having a leverage of 9x. So based upon my capital, based upon the capital, I used I calculated my quantity. So I'm waiting for the candle to complete. It's 1 minute to go, and the new candle started, and it is going above it. So I will put a entry order at 737, the closing price of the first candle. The quantity I will calculate once again for 737. What is the quantity? And yeah, 710. Let us more. Let me reduce that one. 1006. Okay, I think 1007. Yeah, it's okay. Let me put a buy order. Here the market is now it is, you can see 8000 is the demand for buying and 5000 is the demand for selling. So it is in the bullish trend. So I am putting a buy order. Let's wait. It is the buy orders pending. It's an open state. My trade is not executed. I will wait and see what happened. Let me calculate the exit value or exit level, target level for my trade. I am using another Excel sheet to calculate the target level. So let's see what will be the target level. I am using 0.5 or to 1% as a target level. So we will see what will be the target level. Our entry price was 737. So we'll enter, that is the high, and the buying state, and I bought 1006 or 7. 1007 quantities, and so our target will be 740 in case of 0.5. I think today as it is a bullish market, I think I can go for 1% profit. So we'll calculate once again for 1% what is the target level. For 0.5% it is 740 rupees. Now it is 735.55. It has gone down below the trade entry point. We'll see what happened. I'm still holding on the trade. The indicators are bullish. Okay, let me calculate the 1% target. So uh, 744.4 is the 1%. So let us put a exit sell order at 744.4 rupees to book our profit. So this is how I have put a stop exit order. When this value comes, it will exit the trade. So I put an entry order and exit order. So let us wait what happens. We'll see. The market once again starts going up. To my assumption, it can go up to 754 level, but as I see a pivot line at 754, but I am waiting. I am just putting only 1% of the entry point. From one entry point I am using only 1% target. I think it's slightly bearish, but don't worry. We have the indicators are bullish, so the market we'll see. I think it's coming up. Yeah, the market is slightly coming up. Yes, yes, it is coming up. Patience and confidence is very, very important in trading. Be patient, also be cautious. Patient. Adani Ports, we have entered as per our strategy. Please black test your strategy. Trade with the minimum quantities. Minimum money, or do paper trade before doing real trades. Structure capital. I'm using this strategy after backtesting, after my satisfaction. So please follow your own strategy. See, MACD is also positive. Parabolic SAR is also positive, and it almost is trading near the VWAP indicator. So I am waiting. Now it is 9:31. Now the demand for selling is more, so 9 lakh, and it is around 6.8 lakhs. So 2 lakhs, the sellers are more at present. But during the entry time, the buyers were more. Now the sellers have taken the lead. Now slightly rising. Yeah, now it is 37.5. So yeah, it is crossing the pivot value, just on the pivot now. Yeah, it's going up by 2 points now, almost 3 points. For target is 7 points. Going up and coming down now. Wait, because there is no resistance. It's coming down now once again. I am trying to be patient. Many times like this happened earlier also. I will try to quit with minimum profit. Yesterday also very less profit I quitted, but yesterday my planned target was achieved, but I quitted earlier. So today I don't want to quit my trade. I want to get my planned target. So today I am waiting. March 23rd, 2021. Today it is rising now, but the difference between the supply and demand is always 2 lakh. It's maintaining that one, maintaining the gap, but now it is positive by 2.6 points. Yeah, now it is 3 points, 4 points. Our target is 7 points. We are waiting. I have already put the exit order at 744.4. Can see the supply and demand, it is almost same. Now it is the buyers have gained the strength. There is a mega strength, it is 15,000 points lead. The buyers have taken the lead. This is the stage. It has crossed the resistance level at 735 point, around 738 I think so. So it crossed. This is the first candle rising above the resistance level. It is 936. It is moving up. The candle finishes, if the once again the sellers are taking the lead. Almost is a tie war going on between the buyers and sellers. Let's wait. Let's wait. Yeah, 42. Just touched the 42. Now the high is 42, 742.5. So only 3, 4, almost 2 points to the target. So it's only 20, 30,000 quantities difference. Now it is the bullish bullish taken. Now the bearish. So the tie is going on. Um, Tie war. The bull and bear are fighting with each other. Yes, let's wait. Yeah, it's 44. It's nearing the target. Only 1 rupee to go. 43. Our target is 44, 40. Very around 30,000 difference is there, but it is the bull is keeping the market now. See, now it's taken over by the bull. 830, 8 lakh 30 and 8 lakh 20. So yeah, I am nearing the target within a minute. Yeah, my target is reached. So I have my target is reached. You know what is the problem? You see what is my I think I got a pop-up that I have exited the position, exited the trade. I'll see. So I think some problem with the net connection. Yeah, see, you can see there. So I have my two orders executed and I have made a profit of 7,451.8 rupees today. I like every viewers to give your support by liking this video and giving your comments, and please subscribe this channel and encourage me to put more and more videos like this. Thank you.